Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how I make my goat meat stew. This is very easy, simple, and you are good to go. It's quick and fast. So I added the goat meat to my saucepan. I added in the intestines as well, and then to that I added in ginger powder, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, meat seasoning, vegetable seasoning, salt, and then I stir this together till well combined. I'll stir it until everything has come together, and then I'll cover it. I'll let it cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll check if the salt is for my liking. So I added in wele, which they call pomo as well. I'll cover it and then let it cook for at least 10 minutes. To a blender, I added in ginger, garlic, onion, habanero pepper, rosemary, fennel seeds. I then added in red bell pepper as well, and then water. I'll cover it, blend it until almost smooth. After 10 minutes, I went ahead and checked, stir it and checked if the salt is okay, like if it's well seasoned. So at this point, you want to go ahead and check and then cover it and let it cook. So my saucepan was a little bit smaller, so I changed to a bigger one, and then I added in the blended veggies. At that point, the meat was halfway cooked. You do not want to overcook it before adding in the blended veggies. I then blend fresh tomatoes and then I added it to it. So if you want, you can use canned tomato, but I use fresh tomatoes. So the last ingredient that I added here was tomato paste. I'll stir it together and then cover it and let the fire do its job. So I'll allow it to cook slowly until the stew is almost ready. So at this point, as you can tell from the video, the stew was almost ready, and then I added in my stew seasoning, dried shrimp powder and fish powder as well. I then added in vegetable seasoning and some salt. You do not want to over salt it, so please check the salt before you add in any salt. So last thing that I added to it was oil. I went in for palm oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. You can use peanut oil or olive oil. So guys, that's it. It's simple, easy, and you are good to go. Just look at this amazing stew. You do not have to fry the meat, fry the whatever. This is simple, easy, and trust me, you will love it once you try this recipe. It's amazing. So this goes with cooked rice, cooked yam, cooked potatoes, plantain, just name it, cocoyam, and you're good to go. It's very simple, easy, and so delicious. So guys, at this point, as you can tell from the video, the stew has taken up. You can tell like it's ready. At this point, it was ready, and depending on the quantity of your meat or of your stew, so I can't give you the exact time. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, I ate this with amala. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.